G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, 104 Garden Drive in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan. There is a lot to take in. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most exclusive locations in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan. This home is positioned on a large 2,412 square metre allotment, or just over half an acre in the old scale, offering the lifestyle that comes with being only minutes away from the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Marina, boat ramps, the Botanic Garden, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, the iconic Urangan pier, where you've got a selection of cafés and restaurants to choose from. You will also enjoy the convenience of having key amenities nearby, again including the Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Aldis, medical centres, schools and the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay Central Shopping Precinct, all only a short drive away. This sound brick home was built in approximately 1991 and has been well maintained and tastefully refurbished over time, featuring beautiful travertine tiles throughout the main living areas and fresh carpet in the bedrooms, as well as stylish plantation shutters across all of the front rooms. At the heart of this home is the wonderfully appointed kitchen with ample bench and storage space, plus a pantry. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood, an oven and a dishwasher. The vast open plan living and dining area includes split system air conditioning, and it seamlessly connects with that expansive north facing covered outdoor entertaining area with shade blinds. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate while entertaining with family and friends. This lovely home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all freshly recarpeted with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes, and 2 of these also include split system air conditioning. The main bedroom includes a study or retreat, split system air conditioning, and both built-in and a walk-in wardrobe, along with a lavish refurbished ensuite with a shower, vanity and a toilet. The bathroom has also been tastefully refurbished and includes a bath, shower and vanity, and you've got a separate toilet. Vehicle accommodation includes an oversized double garage with a remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. This property offers loads of space to add a pool and a large shed if desired as well. And those looking to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the approximately 6 kilowatt solar power system. Opportunities to secure homes with these features in this location are rare and always in high demand. We're not testing the market and the owners have committed to purchasing another property, so here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.